come to life here in the second half. Paranada na second half lang ginamit. Certainly impactful in that third quarter.
Corpus, oh, that is money para kay Felix Corpus.
Corpus, no? The possession prior, siya naman yung pinisikal doon. Pero ito, nahanap sa ilalim. Maloles to Galicia, who now has 16 points, I believe.
Inside Kawilan. Trying to find Giyab. Batak to Galicia, 2 points.
Yung dating bata na binubuhat ko. Coach ko na ngayon, Jonathan Banal.
Oh, J-Boy Solis. We did it. Solis, atake. Rivero has it. Paranada for 3. Yes!
That's the thing. When you're protecting the paint in Tamayo, every time the big goes for the dribble handoff, you're too deep. Paranada out of control, but recovers the basketball. This would be big.
And Kyle Paranada, just the spark that Ilagan needed. And jumper galing kay Pido. Quick 2 para dito sa Pasig. Rivero to Mina. Jumper. Yes. Allen Mina.
Has been, if they want to win this game, certainly heading that way with this double-digit lead. Paranada can add 2 more from 13 to 15. How about the bench? Binunot lang to, second half na Paranada. Pero dito si Batang ginamit ang kanyang kalakihan sa ilalim.
Rivero. Solis. Nag-cut si Mina. Easy layup. Para kay Allen Mina. 14 points para kay Allen Mina. Allen Mina. Felebrico is there. Bigay kay Paranada. Another 3. No, only a 2-pointer. You know, binubunot siya. Minsan, he's not even activated in the roster.
Right.
But when his number is called, and nakita natin, his number was called for this ball game. Yeah, and had a stint with Zamboanga as well. Allen Mina goes down. Might be a case of cramps here. Crossover, step back 3, in and out. Ivanira Flores. Taken away by Paranada.
And about 500 team, 5-3.
Oh, interesting. And this could have an impact moving forward.